and a look at the damage.
Got it on record?
Yeah, you got it on rewind.
Let it roll.
I'll cut that off at the beginning.
It all happened, and a look at the damage coming up.
Also ahead tonight, 3 local students test positive for
And its unions, one that should save thousands of jobs. This is Channel 7's Eyewitness News at 5.
Breaking news, topping Eyewitness News at 5 tonight. New York State coming to an agreement with unions that will avoid major layoffs of state employees.
This news is coming in late this afternoon. Channel 7's John Morrison live in our newsroom now with the very latest on the story. John?
Yeah, this agreement's going to save about 9,000 jobs. Those positions were scheduled to be laid off beginning
In town, an earthquake rocking parts of western New York, registering a magnitude 2.9. It was centered around Attica, which is about 40 miles east of Buffalo in Wyoming County.
They point right at the reservoir,
with the latest
which is where our cabin is located.
It was not exactly in the plans for Attica, but a small earthquake shocks residents. Bob Catholic is used to loud noises. He owns the music store. But today was different.
the building shut. It sounded like somebody dropped something on the roof.
And next door, his neighbor realized
We had an earthquake today. It sounded kind of like the trains that go up above.
yes, it was hardly an average day. Just before noon, an earthquake in the area. The epicenter was about 3 miles southeast of Attica. It is on the Clarendon-Linden fault system. A local geologist
My cabin's right there.
between what happened here
Yeah, the fault
and what
center.
happens in earthquakes out west that are much stronger.
The difference is they're on the edge of a plate. Right? That's what you call an active margin because there's one plate drifting by the other, and so it's grinding all the time. Over here, we're on a passive margin. There's no plate boundary.
Stress on the plate can cause
Yeah,
quakes,
I read
according to
the
Jacoby.
report.
This one has a magnitude of 2.9. Well, residents did not
There it
suffer
is.
damage. It is certainly something they will remember.
It was pretty shocking. I mean, all in all, it's just something to be used to. We're on a fault line anyways.
And geologists today not ruling out the possibility of aftershocks, but saying they are unlikely.
Plus, the megawatt flew skip. Says Julie Vine picks up the story from there.
It caught residents completely by surprise today. Many weren't sure what happened, but it turns out there was a small earthquake. Welcome to Attica.
We're right by that sign.
This is a day they will remember. Residents like the Prim. Walter was on the computer this morning when he felt a jolt.
It felt like that wall was just going to come in on me, and I heard the building, and I thought, oh man, I have to make close to somewhere.
You could be up on the floor on a hood and just kind of like crazy, you know.
What they felt was an earthquake with a magnitude of 2.9. That happened just after 11 this morning. The epicenter was southeast of Attica. The director of the Brown Wedding Seismograph Station at Canisius College explained it is not unusual there would be an earthquake in that area because there is a branch of a well-mapped fault, the Clarendon-Linden Fault, in that area.
It would rattle some dishes. It might swing a chandelier. It might sound like a car or a truck bumped into the building. You would not expect any damage from an earthquake like that.
This quake much less damaging than the one on the same fault line back in 1929 that measured 5.6 on the Richter scale used then. But even though today's earthquake is not even close, it will be memorable nonetheless.
In the 23 years I've been here, that was the first time I heard it like that.
And geologists say these kind of earthquakes can happen about every 1 to 3 years. We're in Attica. Julie Vine, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
It is turning into a long